Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful tropical wedding bouquet made of dark colors and also with tropical flowers such as amaryllis, protea, ranunculus, calla lily, and so on. Now let's start to make this beautiful tropical bride's bouquet. I have beautiful amaryllis that I'm going to start with this. Look at the beautiful beauty of this flower. I have calla lily, beautiful ranunculus, so gorgeous. I have some carnation in case we see to just use as a filler. Beautiful purple stalk, dark, very dark stalk, and protea. You can use a lot of other different flower, tropical flower, as anthurium, as other nice filler, even burgundy, dark burgundy roses. But I like to start with this beautiful amaryllis just in my hand like this. And also I have some grass and palm that I cut before and I have it ready. This palm comes this size. So imagine you have to make it the shape that you want. I made two in case if I need two. I am going to start with this one and put my amaryllis focus or focal point or my primary to start with this design. Calla lily are very nice. Amaryllis creates my line of bouquet and calla lily goes in between to complete line. When you have calla lily on table and give heat of your body, it will curve the way that you want. They are very nice and natural look. So I'm gonna start with, after primary, go with protea. Proteas are very nice. More calla lily, of course. Face of calla lily comes down to give nicer look when bride is showing. I can use some of this beautiful ranunculus in between to fill up the area. The stalk is also going to give nice, good look in here. We will use more of ranunculus. Hold it tight in your hand. I know there is a lot. Best technique to hold it in your hand, if your hand is small or weak, is to tape it every once in a while. So I will do that so it doesn't go away from my hand. Probably now it's time to tape it because it's very heavy already. Tropical bouquets are usually, because there is a lot of heavy flower, they get bigger and bigger. But we make sure to everything stays in order, the way that we create the shape. So hold it tight in your hand, bring the waterproof tape, go around, make sure very tight, it stays on top of each other, otherwise they don't stay. If you see here, they are on top of each other, tape. This is the only way that this waterproof tape works. Okay, we are going to add more, maybe one more calla lily in here. They are very beautiful. And I'm gonna add a stalk. Purple stalks are very good and smell good for bride to enjoy a smell of her bouquet. You can add more and more to fill up all gap. Okay, I am just checking the balance. We need more, of course, maybe more here, here, as you see. So when you are doing this bouquet, make sure check with the mirror or check in front of you. I need to add one more of this beautiful palm in this area. So tropical bouquet, bride's bouquet, it's not easier than regular bouquet. As you see, it's more work, but also it's more challenge and more enjoyable. So I will add more of stock. They cooperate with you any way that you want because they are flexible. I am going to add more of ranunculus to fill up most of area. I need more tape, so if you see, the hand doesn't hold all of this, which is okay. Waterproof floral tape is always available when you do any bouquet, especially tropical bride's bouquet. Okay, I did my second line of tape to make sure everything stays. I will add more of ranunculus. Color coordination in this, or color scheme in this bouquet is mostly dark red, burgundy, which is very nice color for tropical. Smell very good, this stock. Give me good energy to work with this. Working with flower always give you very positive energy. Try to do flower as much as, even just because for your enjoyment, try to do. Flowers are always beautiful to work with. I think I need one more tape so you see how many, just because flower tropical bouquets are very heavy. I'm gonna add more, maybe some burgundy, beautiful burgundy, Ecuadorian carnation. Ecuadorian roses was good too for this bouquet. I'm gonna add some lily grass, give some nice movement to your bouquet to just give some accent. Perhaps one protea here in the corner. Curly willow is beautiful to use, especially look at the cut on this one. If I can go in between. If I can bring it here, close to my protea, gorgeous. I can add more in the other corner. Waterproof tape to hold everything. I mentioned on other bouquets that I made, bride's bouquet, that you need 2 hands of brides, and don't make this bigger than body of bride. So doesn't need to be big, just needs to be complete. So the shape is very nice. So 2 hands would be from here to here. I will cut all of them. So you need to give some room for water. I found some nice ribbon that you cover all area, and then I will put this hanging in front. Okay, so I found this nice sheer ribbon, as I mentioned. White matches with the dress of bride, also with our calla lily. You go inside of some of stems, hold it tight, and follow pattern on your ribbon, which I will show you. Hold it tight, go around. This is the pattern you will create. Tight, hold very tight, and pull your ribbon very tight. Go very, very tight. You see that it's very, very nice lines are together. And if remember in the other bride's bouquet, I showed you that how you can put this together with pin, corsage pin, or with hot glue. Corsage pin always works very good. Pin up. You never put pin straight or down. It has to be up to be safe. Play with this stem to make them nice and together. And then small bow and hanging ribbon together and tie this to your back of your flower. I will add some pin to hold this as well. Again, going up, and that is finished touch. Okay, this is our finished tropical bride's bouquet. If you like to learn this and learn more about tropical bride's bouquet or tropical arrangement, please check us at minadesignschool.com. We do have wedding project and wedding classes, or subscribe at this channel.